Hello. Welcome to the Lingolands channel. Today, you'll see 25 sentences using the past simple tense. 1. I visited my grandmother yesterday. 2. She watched a movie last night. 3. They played soccer in the park. 4. He cooked dinner for his family. 5. We went to the zoo on Saturday. 6. I studied for my exam last week. 7. She called her friend in the evening. 8. They traveled to Paris last year. 9. He cleaned his room in the morning. 10. We had breakfast at 7 a.m. 11. I finished my homework before dinner. 12. She listened to music on the bus. 13. They bought new shoes at the mall. 14. He drank coffee with his breakfast. 15. We took a walk after lunch. 16. I read a book before bed. 17. She painted a picture in art class. 18. They danced at the party. 19. He wrote a letter to his cousin. 20. We played board games at home. 21. I lost my keys yesterday. 22. She found a cute puppy in the park. 23. They sang songs around the campfire. 24. He taught us a new song. 25. We visited the museum on Sunday. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to the Lingolands channel. See you soon.